Everyone and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to add link to your Tumblr post on the mobile app. To do this, follow the following steps. Step 1. Create or edit a post. If you want to create a new post, tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen and choose the post type. Text, photo, video, etc. Next, if you want to edit existing posts, go to the post you want to edit and tap the three dots at the top right corner, then select Edit. Next, add in the link. After typing the text or the words you want to be clickable, for example, click here or visit my website. Next, you have to highlight the text. The text you just typed that you want to become the link, highlight it and tap the link icon. This usually looks like a chain link. Next, paste the full web address of the website or page you want to link. Tap Done or OK. That's it. The highlighted text will now be a clickable link in your Tumblr post. Let me give you some tips. Always use descriptive link text. Instead of just click here, use something more informative like visit my portfolio or read the full article. Next, always check your links after posting to make sure it works correctly. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.